Welcome back. Today's video is going to start up something new. We're going to start doing STEM project, either kits or just looking at things. Today's is starting out with Mark Rober, his CrunchLabs Pack kits. So, first one, I actually put that gear in upside down. That's funny. So he's got, this one comes with 6 kits. I've got 3 others currently that I haven't touched yet. I was waiting for this to do that. But first one, so we're gonna leave that there. It's our little trophy kind of thing. So, first one is labeled the IR turret. And I like these because they're good for, teenagers, adults. It gives you a chance to start learning programming, which, if you don't know, I am currently going to college for mechanical engineering, and I'm learning basic Python programming. So I get both class and the Hack Pack projects get me introduced to that stuff, so that's pretty cool. So first one is IR turret. This is the little, they're like Nerf darts, they're just foam shooters. And the main basis of the kit is it comes in assemble yourself kit, which is great because I loved Legos growing up, and that's very much what this is. It's got some introductory wiring up and electrical systems. So this right here, which I'll show it on screen, is an Arduino. It is the basic version of a circuit board, so you can wire it's the brain of the computer, so you can wire everything to it, and it's all pre-set up, so it's pretty easy to learn. I'll eventually have to deal more with these. Sometime down the line, I have to do engineering classes that are design and build projects. From what I've seen, a lot of people will do like mini hydroelectric turbine or a washing machine with a bicycle. It's simple projects, but still, could be world changing. So I'm starting out with these. I got another one from Amazon. It was like a little red tank with just treads. So assemble that and just kind of drive it around using your phone as the remote. So that was nice. But I love Mark Rober's videos because they're quick, they're really interesting, and they're fun to watch. So I'll link his CrunchLabs hack packs down in the description. But quick review of this one. It's really nice. I don't know what can be seen. We'll go with that. So I built this it takes a couple hours, maybe 2-3. So put it all together, got it wired up. The hack pack comes with a basic programming setup where I think it has 3 levels. Level 1 is this code is all written for you. Level 2 is you can change parts of the coding. And level 3 is you can alter all the code you want. So you can change it, you can get different sensors, whether it be motion sensor or laser sight. That would be your level 3s, go and change the code, switch it up. Level 2, you can change like speed and stuff, and level 1 is just run it as is. So, I need the remote for that. Should be this one. So, and of course it's Mark, he's fun, put a little googly eye on the turret. So, after assembling everything, charge the battery, plug that in, turn it on. And as you can see, it's snapped into place, and then the turret magnet locks onto it. So this should work if you have the right remote. There we go. So I do have to point it directly to it, but it's on the screen. Yeah. Okay. So here we go, we have our little turret. It can go up, down, left, right. And this right here is the sensor that matches to the remote. The remote does come with it. Everything comes together, which is nice. So up, down, left, right, we can spin it. We can shoot one, shoot another, you press the number, it'll shoot specifically. It should specifically shoot numbers. But anyway, or we can just hold it and shoot. And shoot one at that. So this is nice. Simple, couple hour projects. The next ones are, I believe, a domino layer and something else. But there are 6 in the whole thing. I did the subscribe for a year and you get 1 kit every other month. And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed building this. I enjoy using it. So if you want to use it, link down in the description will bring you right to Mark Rober's CrunchLabs. And thanks for watching. See you next time.